Hey guys, I need to do a couple more things to get that RStudio and GitHub all set up. This document that I have open here, it says optional here, but if you guys got to where I was, you're getting a deprecation notice from GitHub. So you do actually have to set this up. I don't know when that's gonna. Deprecation means they're taking it off. That'll happen at some point. So let's run through this real fast and do this, and then I want to actually do a knit too in my on my document, on my RStudio document. Okay, so I'm going to go to my RStudio Cloud project. I'm going to click Tools, Global Options, and I'm going to create an RSA key. So here's my thing. I'm looking for Tools, and I'm looking for Global Options, and I'm looking for Git. And I'm going to create an RSA key. There's my key. And okay, did I need to copy that? Dang it, there it is. Create, click View and copy the key to the clipboard. Yeah, I gotta copy that. Okay. No, okay. Alright, I think I did it, maybe. Like, wouldn't let me copy it. That's what I'm worried about. Okay. Okay, so then I'm supposed to, sorry guys, like I said before, I do this once. Okay, navigate to GitHub, go to your profile, drop down menu, edit profile. Your profile, and then edit profile. Oh, there it is. Here it is. Dang it. That is not right. This does not look like what I want to edit. Dang it. Oh, it's actually, sorry guys, this is wrong. I need to go to settings, and I need these. Alright, I want to create a new key. Confirm my password. There we go. I had the view key. Ha! Alright, there we go. So I copied that. Alright, so I'm going here, and I'm going to do a new key. And I'm going to paste. There we go. New rproj, sure. And I'm going to add that key. There we go. So GitHub's telling me I did that. Great. Alright, so now I go, according to this document, now I go back to RStudio and I do a git config. Git config remote.origin.url. I'm just going to make this side by side here, guys, so I can do it. Not this RStudio, but this RStudio. And again, I'm going to do this in the terminal. And because I only use the terminal on this setup stuff. Remote origin.url git at github.com nerfnick, and this was our test. I do have that right, that it was our test. Sorry guys, you gotta get these right, otherwise they don't work. Our test. Alright, so I think I'm gonna hit enter, and I think that worked. Okay, cool. Alright, seems like a lot of work for what I'm about to do, guys, but basically now I'm all connected to GitHub. Everything's connected. So one of the things that's really cool here is I can do the knit, and you'll see I'll generate HTML. I should also show you guys the publish. You can publish your HTML to the web. But it looks like it takes a couple of packages, so of course it's going to take some time. We'll twiddle our thumbs. Eventually, I always pick the, there's one option that's like a free option, blah, blah, blah. I always pick that one. Eventually that'll work. Let's also show you guys that you can knit to PDF. Ours working, that's why this is running slow. You'll see, boom, there it just generated the PDF document. You'll notice that these showed up here in my Git tab. That's because I haven't, I just generated them, right? I did some work on the RMD, and I created the HTML and the PDF, and so I'll need to commit and push those to my GitHub account. And when I push those to my GitHub account, they should be in there. I will say that the HTML is not machine readable on the GitHub, so it doesn't look like your website. So you do have to publish it at the other place. Let's see if that's ready for me to knit to HTML. Show you guys that publish. Yeah, so I always use this one, the free service. And when you publish it, you can create something. You guys have probably seen this. I could give it a slug. I can give it a name. I'm really lazy and I don't. But there it goes. So you guys have probably seen a page that looks like this already. There you go. This URL is shareable then, and you can make edits to this later. You can republish and things like that. But that's RStudio and GitHub. And just to show you guys, let's jump back to this this thing here. You see 1 minute ago I made that commit and that push, and so now my PDF document is here. There it is, and my RMD code is here. This is what I'm going to need if I'm going to be able to help you guys, is to be able to look at our code. And then the HTML looks like garbage. That doesn't look very useful to me and not very machine readable. But by the way, I think you can take this over to raw, and I think the machine will read this. Somehow you can read it. I don't remember exactly how to do it. But there you go. So that's everything you need to get started. That's what I think you have to do for this first project. First part of the project, that's where you guys got to get to. All right, keep working hard.